lists. And what this asking me next is the source. So source domain, meaning the domain of these values. So what is the starting point and what is the end point? Because based on this source, you'll be assigning a target, right? So if I grab a bounce component, which exactly creates this information related to the starting and the end point of each range, you see. But the problem here is all these are created by the values of these guys. So this remap value is created by only for the column row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and 5, so on and so forth. So again, at the beginning, I already mentioned about this, but if we don't want to